Hi, this is Atif, the world's #1 cryptocurrency trading charts author as per TradingView, and you're watching my channel Moon333, where I'm posting the trading ideas on different assets and also educational stuff. If you didn't subscribe to my channel so far, then do subscribe it for more profit potential and beneficial trading ideas and educational videos. And do remember that the information contained in this video is for educational purpose only. This is not intended to be investment advice. So please seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. On 24th of October, I shared the list of cryptocurrencies, the 12 cryptocurrencies, which were expected to give the profit spikes within a week. But within 48 hours, I think 24 to 48 hours, all the cryptocurrency gave us the profits. Now let's first see the results of those trades which I have shared on 21st of October, and after that I will share a new list with you. Our first cryptocurrency was the Bitcoin, the king of all cryptocurrencies. And on this chart, I predicted that the price action has completed a bullish butterfly pattern and entered into potential reversal zone. And I have also predicted another thing on this chart, that if the price action will cross up this 0.786 Fibonacci area of A to D leg, then my previous chart where the price action has formed a bullish butterfly on 4-day chart will be also executed. And this was that 4-day chart. Now, when I'll play first this idea, then we can see first the price action crossed up this this sell zone, and when the price action crossed up this 0.786 Fibonacci area of A to D leg, and as per my prediction, the price action also hit the sell zone of this 4-day chart bullish butterfly pattern. Now I am also playing this chart, and you can see the price action also has hit the sell zone of this 4-day bullish butterfly pattern. Our second coin was the IOTA US dollar, and this was a 2-day chart, and the price action formed a bullish bad pattern. And this chart is also executed successfully, and you can see that how the price action took the bullish divergence and hit the sell zone. Our third coin was the XRP with US dollar, and this coin formed a complete cipher pattern. At that time when I published this chart, the price action just hit only a spike within this potential reversal zone. Therefore, I was expecting that the price action will again completely enter in this potential reversal zone and give us another chance to catch it from this PRZ area, but the price action took the bullish divergence and hit the sell zone. The fourth cryptocurrency was the Ethereum with US dollar, and this was the 25% profit potential trade, and this chart is also executed successfully. The fifth cryptocurrency was the EOS with US dollar pair, and this cryptocurrency also formed a bullish cipher pattern and entered in the potential reversal zone, and this chart is also executed successfully. The price action took a very powerful bullish divergence. The sixth trade which I have shared with you was the Stellar or XLM with US dollar pair, and here the price action formed a complete bullish shark pattern and took the bullish divergence and hit the sell zone. The seventh coin was the Ethereum Classic with US dollar pair, and on this chart the price action formed a bullish butterfly pattern and took the bullish divergence and hit more than 0.382 Fibonacci of A to D Fibonacci projection. Our eighth cryptocurrency was the ADA or Cardano with US dollar, and this cryptocurrency formed a bullish bad pattern on 1-day chart. I was expecting that it will give up to 16% profit, but the bullish divergence was very powerful, and this cryptocurrency gave more than 16%. Our ninth coin was the TRX or Tron with US dollar, and this coin also formed a bullish bad pattern, and this trade is also executed successfully. Our 10th cryptocurrency was the Litecoin with US dollar pair, the LTC USD, and this coin also formed a bullish butterfly pattern and took the bullish divergence and hit the sell zone. Our 11th cryptocurrency was the Vibe with US dollar, And here I have placed a support line as a stop loss, and on this chart our stop loss is triggered. Our last coin was the POE with Bitcoin pair, and here the price action formed a complete garlic pattern and entered in the potential reversal zone. But so far the price action or this pattern is in process, and you can see the price action is moving at the end of the potential reversal zone. So I'm adding this trade in the new list of trades, which I'm just gonna share with you in shortly. So you can add this trade in your next trading list. Now I'm gonna show you the new list of trades, and these coins are expected to give the profit spikes within 24 to 48 hours. But before moving to my new list, I would like to tell you that I am also sharing the TradingViews link in the video's description, where you can find my charts, because I am publishing or posting my all charts on the TradingView. When you will be on the TradingView, after that you just need to select this people option from the drop down list from here, and after selecting the people option you just need to write my username Moon333 and select this, and after that my all charts will be appeared before you, and you can open or find my any charts from all of this list. I've also shared the link of Binance Exchange in the video's description, because all these coins or cryptocurrencies are available on Binance Exchange with good trading volume. If you don't have an account on Binance Exchange, you just need to click on that link, and after that you will be able to create the account there and you can start your trading on Binance. Now let's move to our next list of the cryptocurrencies which are gonna give the profit spikes within next 24 to 48 hours. Our first coin for today is the NKN with US dollar, and this cryptocurrency is forming a bullish garlic pattern, and so far it is not entered in the potential reversal zone. So we can wait for the price action to enter here, and after that we can place our buying orders and sell it here. You can see these targets here in the chart description. Our second trade for today is the Dusk with Bitcoin pair, DUSKBTC, and this coin has formed a complete bullish bad pattern bullish garlic pattern and entered in the potential reversal zone, so we can buy it here and sell it here. You can also find these targets in the chart description. Our third trade for today is the Walton Bitcoin pair, the Walton coin with Bitcoin pair, and this coin has formed a bullish butterfly pattern and entered in the potential reversal zone, so we can buy it here and sell it here. Our fourth cryptocurrency for today is the Pearl with US dollar, the Perlin with US dollar pair, and this coin has completed the formation of cipher pattern and entered in this potential reversal zone. Our fifth coin for today is the OMG with US dollar pair, and this coin is forming a bullish shark pattern, and soon it will be entered in this potential reversal zone. So we can wait for the price action to enter in this potential reversal zone, and when it will be entered here, then we can sell it here. Even the price action has entered in the potential reversal zone at this time. Our sixth cryptocurrency for today is the BAND with US dollar pair, and this coin has also formed a bullish bad pattern and entered in this potential reversal zone, so we can buy it here and sell it here, and you can also find these targets here on the chart description. Our seventh cryptocurrency for today is the COS with US dollar pair, and this coin is forming a bullish crab pattern, so we should wait for the price action to enter here in this potential reversal zone from 1.27 up to 1.618 Fibonacci, and after that we can set our sell targets here. Our last trade for today is the KAVA or KAVA with US dollar pair, and this coin has formed a bullish garlic pattern, and this trade has the potential to give up to 102% profit. Thank you so much for watching the complete video. That's all for today, guys. I'll be back soon with more beneficial trading ideas and educational videos. Take care. Goodbye.